Hi everyone, I am Nishi and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn what is an Android ID, what is the use of it, and the most important of all, why you should not share your Android ID with others. So let's get started. Before diving into what is Android ID, let's first understand what is APK Signing Key. Android requires that all applications installed on our device should be signed digitally with a certificate. The tool used to sign the certificates attaches it to our app, and this certificate associates the app to a private key. This key is APK Signing Key. This is the official Android documentation that provides us more details about this. You can find the link to this in description below. You might ask, what is the need of this key? This key helps Android ensure that updates made to the app are from a genuine source who released the app first, and hence the APK signing key has to be kept private and not shared with anyone else. Now that we know what is APK signing key and why is that important, let's dig into what is an Android ID. Android ID is one of the many identifiers provided by Android to uniquely identify your device. It is a 64-bit hexadecimal number which is 16 character long. Android ID remains same for the same user on same device and for the same APK signing key, which means for a different user on the same device with same APK signing key, the value will be different. With different signing keys, that is with different applications, the value would be different. Also to note that the factory reset of the device will also lead to a change in this value. However, on same applications, uninstallation, installation, and updates, the value will be same. You might be wondering, what is the use of this ID? Let's take an example of a gaming app that has 7-day free trial period. Now think about what if you exhausted your 7-day free trial period and uninstall the app. On next installation, all the counters in the app will start afresh. In this scenario, Android ID will be a value that will stay constant as it is unaffected by uninstallation, installation, and update of the same app. Hence, Android ID is used by developers to keep the track of such data. Also, in the world of data, in order to get the statistics for unique number of installations, this ID is used. Let's take a scenario where a developer wants to track unique number of devices that install the application. As discussed previously, uninstallation, installation, and updates of app won't affect Android ID. The developer can get the correct stats over unique Android IDs. Having discussed so much about Android ID, let's create a simple Android application that helps us get an Android ID of the device. As you can see here, I have created a new project in Android Studio and we have a text box here with Hello World text. We'll remove this text from our layout file and set its value from the Java file. I'll first reference the text view here. I'll reference it using its ID. After referencing, I will set its value equal to the value of the Android ID that is returned from secure system settings. Secure system settings is a privileged shared preference which users cannot write to. However, they can read from these settings, hence we'll be able to read Android ID from these shared preferences. Now, let's run the application and observe the output. We observe that Android ID is displayed on the text view of the activity. Now that we have printed the value of Android ID, let's discuss why you should not share your Android ID with others.
As discussed earlier, Android ID is a unique value that gets assigned to a user, a device, and an APK signing key. Let's go back to the same game application example. If you share the Android ID available from that app to others, they might be able to use your Android ID to get the benefits of your free trial. And what if it was a banking app which was autofilling your credentials based on that Android ID? This might be a serious problem for you. You might ask me, how can someone change their Android ID then? There are apps available that assist you to spoof your Android ID, but those apps hack into your device's Android ecosystem and perform those changes. Hence, it is strongly recommended to not experiment with such things and keep your Android ID safe and secure with you. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you learned various concepts surrounding Android ID in this video. Do like, share, and comment for the video and subscribe the channel. I'll be back soon with a new video. Stay safe and keep learning.